Hello, in front of me I've got Yamaha earbuds. In this video I'll show you how to manage controls. Firstly, make sure that your earbuds are connected with your smartphone. And now to increase volume, press the functional key on the right earphone 2 times in a row. To decrease volume, do the same thing on the left earbud. Press the functional key on either earbud once to play pause. To skip to the next song, hold down the functional key on right earphone until you hear a beep. To go back, do the same thing on the left earbud. To receive a call, press the functional key on the right earbud. To end the call, do the same thing. To ignore the call, press and hold the functional button on the right earbud for at least 2 seconds. To activate voice assistant, press 3 times functional button on the right earbud. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.